Kamaljeet Sandhu, do stay on with us. These are latest visuals that are coming in from the Ministry of Home in North Block in New Delhi, where the Army Chief, General Dalbir Singh Suhag, has actually gone inside the Ministry of Home. The meeting will begin now, any minute now. These are visuals that are coming from the North Block. The Army Chief has reached the North Block to brief the Home Minister, Rajnath Singh. That meeting will take place on Operation All Out, which has been launched. Kamaljeet Sandhu, coming back to you. 2 days ago, you had given us this information that the government is keen on an all-out offensive against the Bodo militants. This is keeping with that the Army Chief is now coming and briefing the Home Minister.
There has to be a cohesive action against the militants, and remember, even in action against the Ulfa, Army played a very important role. And now there are many factions within the Assam. We know that the NDFBS has come into highlight and obviously putting the Northeast into focus yet again. The fact remains that the centre wants to have a consolidated action so that something like this doesn't happen again. One of the officers obviously compared this to the same sort of a massacre which happened in Pakistan with school children, where at least 70 among the dead here also included many women and young children. So this is something which the centre is really worried about. They do not want to have any backlash. Remember, the Adivasis were targeted. There was a curfew clampdown. But the fear is that there should not be any further strike. And that is why a message has gone across. And definitely Rajnath Singh calling the Army Chief. This is also about counter-insurgency operations and how they can have a consolidated act put together with the paramilitary, the police, as well as the army coming in now.
Now, Kamal, do take us through that last point that you mentioned is quite crucial. Just take us through what all agencies or organizations of the establishment are actually going to be part of this Operation All Out.
Well, definitely the paramilitary plays a very important role, and that is why Assam had sought additional forces, and that is why 50 companies were rushed in to that particular area. And remember, we've seen in the past few months, regularly there have been reports of violence. The number may not have been this much, but there have been constant inputs coming in that there is further violence from NDFB and other factions like that. But definitely Rajnath Singh has made up his mind that talks and violence cannot go on together, and that is why there is an all-out action against this particular group. Definitely the NI is going to be probing into it, but there has to be an action in terms of getting to the perpetrators, and that is why a go-ahead has been given. It was made up, Rajnath Singh had made up his mind much earlier. He had told that to the paramilitary as well as the army personnel who had come in for the meeting, but this is obviously taking it further, calling it for further action. We know 21 div of the army is in the area of Kokrajhar and Sonitpur. And obviously, if there has to be an action, it has to be keeping in mind that the army will also be playing an important role in this all-out action against the NDFB.
But Kamaljeet, will this action be taken in a time-bound manner? I mean, such operations can go on and on, but what really is the brief that has been given for Operation All Out? Is this going to be in a time-bound manner? Is there a time frame?
Well, definitely. So that is why there has been emergency right in the past 3 days itself. This is the third day where Rajnath Singh is actually holding a meeting on Assam. What we also know is there has to be a time-bound action. There has to be a full-scale operation. The army would obviously have its help extended in this particular area. So this is going to be a time-bound action within this particular year starting on. They obviously would require intelligence. And remember, many people also pointed out that this was a massive intelligence failure, both at the central as well as the state unit. Even though there were some inputs which were coming in and there was a clear warning sign which came in from Myanmar as well, those warnings were not taken in seriously. So there is a serious concern that despite having warnings, one not being able to read into the situation and having and leading up to a massacre of this kind, this is obviously raised alarm bells ringing in the North Block, and that is why there is a consolidated action and which will require both the paramilitary and the military coming into action.
Kamal, it won't be wrong to then conclude that this perhaps, as far as the government of India is concerned, is the final assault to crack down on the Bodo militants. Many thanks for joining us with all the latest and also getting us those latest visuals. Some more breaking news coming in related to the Assam violence.